No say this life things they happen. This is Mrs. Otabo Ailing, an Edo State woman, a daughter of the soil. And Mrs. Ailing na police. If you know a popular video we go viral that she they shout, help me, they carry me, they go where I don't know. But mama, you let the job better people know too. But I don't ask, they say they not say the job, they say you carry the people go station, they come, they divert you, which is kidnap. Mrs. Otabo Ailing and one police will be like, say, she like the police walk away. We don't say bad police day, but we still get some way good with the diligent at delivering their duty. Now, where she did the control traffic to make people get easy passage for road. Now somebody follow one way and she they cross, and the person, the woman, break her leg. Okay, this is like when they break down 4 different hospitals. Now they carry police go with uniform where they bleed where her leg break. A mother. All the hospital receptors, see she go bring how much? 1.5 million before they treat her.
For this Naija where we do so, one prayer point where you suppose they make every day be say, Baba God, I beg, no allow me sick for this country. Cause imagine a policewoman being rejected in the hospital. What will happen to ordinary citizens? We need help, we need emergency. Hey my people, is your girl Cindy. On today's episode, now this woman matter, this popular voice where we trend that help me, they carry me, they go where I don't know. Now this woman matter and ASAKE will carry come. So basically, ASAKE entered into the picture because say in his video he used this woman's voice to music video. So when this woman be come out to say, make una help me, I need money, I need help, I need support, look at what happened to me, people were expecting ASAKE to foot the bills of this woman because he used the woman's voice in his music video. After a lot of dragging, he later come out and give the woman 5 million naira.
Just send 5 million naira.
So this did not suit well. I be sit well with Nigerians. Then bring up the matter again. Say, ASAKE, ordinary 5 million you they give this woman. After all the money where the music video where you do give you. Now just 5 million where you carry they give this woman. Say you no try. You suppose do big thing for her. As you no pay royalty to the woman, you suppose carry big money, can't give am. Say thank you for bringing out this voice. Omo no be small thing. But na Nigeria we dey, na Naija where we dey, ASAKE no owe anybody. You understand? No be am cause the country to be bad. Cause in a working system, you no tell me say police officer, police where they save human being, where they save us, go come sick, come hospital go come reject policeman, I be policewoman. It don't make sense now. It don't make sense. So make una those people where they drag ASAKE, at least he don't try. He don't bring 5 million. 5 million no easy. You understand? Even though people they plead with them, say I beg, make you do another thing, may you add another money, cause that money too small. At least may you show appreciation to the woman. Omo no be small thing. So now the matter be this. What is your opinion? Do you think that ASAKE did his best by gifting the woman 5 million naira? Or do you think he would have added more to the money? What is your opinion? Drop it in the comment section. Thank you.